Hello ladies and gentlemen. Today we have a beautiful unboxing video. We have the Camron socks made by Stance. It also says Anthem. Not really sure what that means. Say, oh fuck, those are his name. That's his name right there. It's Camron. That's him. He's on the phone. Um, this piece of packaging at the top here already broke off just a second ago. Then I decided to make this stupid video, which no one will ever look at. So these are some socks. They look like trash. They're pretty thick. They feel nice. Feel actually very nice. Fuck, might put my dick in one of these later. We're gonna rip apart this. These are size large, by the way. Um, I just destroyed the size chart. But the large will fit 9 to 12. So, shoe size. So that's what I went with. And then the cardboard on the back of the packaging is a real life photo of Cameron holding some sort of telephone when he's got his pink hat on. Know what I'm saying? So let's try these on real quick. These are my feet. Holy fuck, these are comfy. These are comfortable as fuck. So now we have the Cameron's face. Oh fuck. Just stand on my desk or something. How the fuck are we gonna do this? Stay on this chair. Cameron's face is presented at the front of the shin, the lower shin. Know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put on the second sock. And that's the left sock, which is on my foot and part of my leg. This is my lower leg right here, and this is my foot. We see the sock completely covers the foot and goes up the lower leg about to lower mid calf. Very comfortable. This material, I've actually never had socks that feel like this before. Quite luxurious, thick, um, probably good in winter. It's winter right now, so know what I'm saying. Whew. Excuse me. Know what I'm saying?